Right, so you guys have drilled your holes, okay? This is your bottle opener, looks like that, okay? That's you drilling your holes. Now I did show you last lesson about using a bigger drill bit to get rid of the burrs and all the sharp edges on your work. What I've got for you, I haven't got my orange handle deburring tool, but I have got a countersink drill bit in a battery drill. So you can just use that, hold your work firmly, and just pull the trigger, and that'll deburr your work for you. If you just roll it, puts a nice little chamfer on your hole and gets rid of all your burrs. All right, rather than using a bigger drill bit and twisting it by hand, you can do it with that. All right, once you've done that and you've got your two holes drilled, what we need to look at is we need to look at the angle, 60 degrees there, and we need to use one of these things here. This is an engineer's protractor, okay? So that engineering protractor you can set, and you know, like a square would be 90 degrees there, and that line there you'd mark perpendicular to your edge. You want to set that to 60 degrees there, tighten that up, and then where your center line of your hole is, and you can see it on that one a little bit better, you're going to place your square tight up, your protractor tight up against the edge and scribe that line at 60 degrees there. So you can see I've already marked this one out, but just get your protractor and your scriber and scribe that line there at the bottom of your perpendicular line for the center line for the hole. Okay, if you're stuck, look at the drawing or ask me or rewatch the video, and then you'll understand. Okay, so just get your square and you're scribing that line there. Now the other ones above that line there and this diagonal line there, okay, what that needs to be is 5 millimeters from the top down there, and then 20 millimeters in. So again, I've gone from the perpendicular line, the center line of your hole, and come 5 mil down. That can get clamped up in the vise and filed, okay? And then the line coming into your hole there is just a straight cut, okay? I'll cut those and demonstrate those to you. I'll probably have to take the sound off the camera because you'll all be working, making loads of noise, and then I'll talk over it later. Okay, so your markings out got to look like that. You've got to use your engineer's protractor, you've got to use a sharp scriber, and obviously using the countersink drill bit to deburr your holes. All right with that? Lovely.